everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. Today's video is going to be a very fun, colorful makeup tutorial. It's on this look right here. It's a very fun, colorful makeup look. It's perfect because spring is right around the corner. It's going to be coming up soon. So, and I was also kind of in a rut of doing like warm tone, cool tone, smoky eyes, just these classic looks. So I wanted to step outside of the box and do something different that I don't normally do. And I just wanted to incorporate some colors into a makeup look. So I do hope that you guys enjoy, and if you want to know how to get this look, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. We are going to start off by priming our eyelids. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to apply that all over the eyelids. I wanted to go in with a full coverage concealer so it would cover up all of the veins and redness on my eyelids, and using a full coverage concealer on the eyelids will also help the eyeshadows pop and have a little bit more vibrancy. After that's blended out with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to set the concealer with a bone colored eyeshadow. I'm going to be dipping into the Morphe 35B palette, taking this bright neon pink. I'm going to blend it into the outer half of the crease using my Sigma E40. We're going to use the inner half of the crease. We're going to leave that part empty because we're going to put another color in there, so make sure that you focus this on the outer half of your crease only. Next, I'll be dipping into this orange in the Morphe 35B and using a Sigma E35. I'm going to blend this in the inner half of the crease, but then I switched over to a smaller, more precise blending brush so I could get more precise application. Next, I'll be taking this vibrant purple and I'm going to apply this in the outer V just to add a little bit more dimension to the crease. Next, I'm going back into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to basically do a half cut crease, but I'm just going to apply it on the eyelids. And I brought up the concealer just a bit higher than I normally would because I have hooded eyes and I don't want our eyelid shade to crease later on. For our eyelid shade, I'm going to dip into the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Pot of Gold. I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this on the eyelid, so I'm going to apply it wherever I applied the concealer. These are the most pigmented shadows ever. I am so in love with them. They've been a favorite of mine as of lately. Going back into that vibrant purple and then the purple below it, I'm going to apply this around the outer V and around the edges of that yellow shadow so the shadows blend together nicely. Next, we're going to do a wing liner. I'll be going in with my favorite eyeliner. This is the NYC Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to start off by lining the lash line, and then I'm going to go ahead and map out the wing. And once I've mapped out the wing, I'm going to connect it back down to the lash line. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I'm going to focus this on my cheek area because I have big pores in that area, so I'm going to tap this into the skin. Then after I'm all primed, I'm going in with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the shade 705. I'm going to grab about a pump and a half of that and apply that all over the skin, blending it out with my damp beauty blender. For the concealer, I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Concealer in Shell Ivory. I'm going to apply a good amount of that on the under eye area and then going in with my damp beauty blender to blend it out. I'm going to pop on some lashes very quickly. I'm going in with the Ardell Double Up 207 Black Lashes. To set the concealer in place and also do a little bit of baking, I'm going to go in with my Airspun Translucent Face Powder and Translucent Extra Coverage. Going into the Urban Decay Electric Palette, I'm going to dip into that neon yellow. And with a Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm going to focus this yellow on the inner lower lash line. And we're going to go into the Morphe 35B one more time, and I'm going to take that light blue on the far right, and I'm going to use that same pointed eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to focus this blue on the lower lash line, making sure it blends nicely with the yellow. After that, I'm going to move over to just dusting away all of that extra translucent powder we used for baking and setting our concealer in place. And as I was dusting my powder away, the brush actually touched the wing, which was still wet, so it actually smudged across the face, which really made me mad, but we got it covered, we fixed it, life went on. Moving over to contouring, I'm going in with my Lorac Pro Contour Palette, going in with the light contour shade and the Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour. I'm going to bronze and contour the cheekbones. And once I've contoured, I'm going to go ahead and just bronze around the forehead and around the edge of the face. I'm going to highlight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit and going in with Luna on a Sigma F35 tapered blending brush. I'm going to pack this onto the cheekbones, and the brush was a bit wet because I sprayed it with setting spray just to bring out that metallic luster. And then I dusted that on several parts of the face like the nose, the cupid's bow, and the high points of the face. For the blush today, I'll be using Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's a very natural blush, and since we had so much going on the eyes, I wanted to do something natural, so I went ahead and popped that on the cheeks with my Sigma F40 large powder brush. For the lips, I'm going in with the light color. This is NYX Butter Lipstick in Hubba Bubba. I honestly thought this was really light at the end, but once I added a bronzy gloss on top, it all worked out. This is the Jouer Lip Topper in Skinny Dip. And that will complete it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I love doing fun looks like this, and I like to change things up. So if you want to see more looks with pops of color or just flat out colorful looks, definitely let me know and I will be sure to make that a priority here on my channel. So I do hope that you enjoy. I love you guys so very much. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost to 300 subscribers, so I know that we can do it. Just make sure you click that subscribe button. It's right down below this screen. I will also have all of my social media accounts linked down in the description box. I love you guys so much. Jesus loves you with all his heart, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.